compressor wrap here. So today we have our shop part back at the shop. We're going to be doing a full new wrap on it, as long as we're going to be doing a new body kit on this car. As you can see, it has a stock front bumper and the rear bumper. I'll show you guys in a bit, but we're going to be changing it up a bit. The kit we're going to be put on here is a secret. You guys will see more of the kit as this video goes on. Right now, the car is a greenish gold black color. We're going to be doing a satin black on the color, I believe. So stay tuned for this Mercedes new look. It's going to look freaking sick. If you haven't seen the original video when we first wrapped this car, it is on our YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. So yeah, let's get to it and start unwrapping this car. Alright guys, so the first thing we got to do before we start everything is unwrap the existing color. So me and Eddie are going to start unwrapping it. So we're probably going to start with this panel right here and continue our way around the car. So let's get to it. So we just tested the spoiler on the kit we got for the Mercedes GT. Fitment on it is really, really good. I'm going to show you guys an up close after. You can see all the edges line up perfectly. The front and rear bumper are currently getting primered so we can wrap it. The kit came like kind of painted, I guess you could say, but we want to make sure that the vinyl wrap sticks its best with, so we're getting it primered. So as soon as the kit comes back in, I'm going to show you guys the fitment on that as well. But everything so far is lining up good, so that's a plus. So I hope you guys enjoy the way this car is going to look after it's completely done.
You said how you feeling, washed up, don't want to believe it. Oh no, it's not what you wanted. Oh no, it's not what you needed.
What's up guys, so the Mercedes GT is finally done. As you can see, it's right here behind me. The wrap we did do on the car is a satin black. Shout out to Avery Dennison for that. And if anyone's curious for the kit we did, it is a Darwin Pro. Huge shout out to them because the kit fitment was phenomenal. So we finished it off with a satin black and we did Savini wheels. If you haven't seen our previous video, go ahead and check it out because the wheels are on that build as well with a different color, and I think it looks really nice. But yeah, the car is finally done. I think it looks so nice. Definitely a lot more stealthy looking. We did finish it off with some gold chrome accents as well. Gold chrome and satin black just go perfect together, and we thought that'd be a perfect match for this car. So I hope you guys like the way this car looks and enjoyed this video. Peace.